Hello ma'am, good afternoon. So this is my final activity, the progress. So as you can see, we have dashboard in the customer. So we have the menu. So as you can see, sarap na hindi makakalimutan. And then once customer add the order, so ito continue in the shopping cart. And then if you want to add the order, so you have to click the continue shopping. So we back to the menu. Once you add the order, so we back in the shopping cart and then proceed to checkout. Once you proceed, as you can see, we have what you choose to pay. So we have cash on delivery or PayPal. Once you done, you pay to deliver, so success. Then we go to the admin. So we have here in the admin. So as you can see, we have order. So let's check the orders. So we have here the order on the April 13, and then the time, so the items, total payments. Then we open this, the status, then can click the preparing or cancel or complete, and then the payment. Once the customer pay, as you can see, we have pending, so you can edit and then click the paid and then save. So success. And then the products, if you want to add the product, you just click here, add products, and then what name of the product you choose or you to input, and then select category, then what the price and description, and you can choose the photo of what product or what product you can post. Then once you save the product, we have this the menu items. So this is the products, and then the categories. So you can edit the or delete, and then the reports, and then the inventory. So if the product is out of stock, you can see here the stock of your product, and then you can adjust of what products is stock in or stock out, then quantity, then apply adjustment. Once you can success, so the 11 family combo is switched to 12, and then the reports of daily order, and then the monthly, and that's all, I think, ma'am.